Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how to fix Snapchat lag on Samsung S24 FE. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search Snapchat app from here. Click on Snapchat app and click on storage. Click on clear cache. After clear cache Snapchat app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library. Just click and hold on Snapchat app and click on uninstall. After uninstall Snapchat app, click on Play Store and again install Snapchat app. After again install, you will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.